What's up, guys? This is me right here. It's your fair, and my name is Oliver Tupasi, and welcome to my channel. And in this channel, we do is like Chromebook thing, like technology thing, like fake stage thing, like that. But today, I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach you like how you can make your Chromebook HP OS Chromebook Chrome OS, and how can your Chromebook run? You can make your Chromebook run faster, or like 10 seconds. Your YouTube is loading like that. So first thing you need to do is go to right here settings, and you go to search energy right here, and you must have Google. Google is fast, but like Yahoo right here, Yahoo, it's the slowest webcam in the world. Like if you search something like games, it's bring like game store like that, but you must know how to. So I always have Google right here. So first thing you need to do is, if you have continue where you left, your Chrome will go slower and slower. If you click on open aspective page or set of pages, your Chromebook will run like slow because the setting page for you, and no, you're nothing there for you. So make sure click open the new tab by yourself. So next you wanna go to advanced. So here's advanced. So advanced is a spell check. They check your spells if they're right. But if you have a basic spell check, it will go slower, like slower. Use that like that. This is the percent to Google. That's good. If you have this one, this will run slower. So make sure you have athletic spell check. So next we wanna go to right here manage right here. So right here we are there, and right here enable select to speak here text. Make sure don't mark this on. This thing can destroy your Chrome like this one. Destroy your Chromebook in no time. No time, I say. This thing can destroy your Chromebook in no time. So make sure you right click only. So next we have a new one for you right here. You go to history, and history. If you have too much history, make sure delete it. Like me, I have nothing, and make sure you go to clear browsing data right here, and make sure click on advanced or all time right here. No basic or like for weeks, just for all time, all day, like that. Clear data. Your Chromebook is original. If I click on YouTube, it will run faster like that. That's faster. I like that. That's faster for me. And if you go back, we're done. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys for thanks for 7 subscribers. I appreciate that. Thank you. I love you guys. Thank you.